Hi guys, my name is Minhajuddin Ansari and you're watching the 27th tutorial on C programming, and today I'll be talking about pointer to pointer variables. So you already know what a pointer variable is. A pointer variable is a variable that stores the address of another variable. So a pointer to pointer variable is a variable that stores the address of another pointer. So let me show you what I mean. First, I'm going to define my integer variable num and I'm going to initialize it to the value 5. And then I'm going to define my integer pointer ptr and I will initialize it to the address of my integer variable num. And then I'm going to define my pointer to pointer variable, and you can do that by writing two asterisks before the name of your pointer to pointer variable. So I'm going to name my pointer to pointer variable ptrp and I'm going to initialize it to the address of my pointer variable. So now in the end I'm going to print the value of this address stored inside my pointer to pointer variable ptrp, and just to show you that the pointer to pointer variable is storing the address of the ptr pointer, I'm also going to print the address of my ptr pointer by using the address operator and by writing the name of my ptr pointer variable. So both addresses should be the same because the pointer to pointer variable is actually storing the address of the pointer variable ptr. So when I run the program, I'm going to get both addresses that are exactly the same. So now you guys also know what dereferencing a pointer means. Dereferencing a pointer simply means accessing the value at the address stored in the pointer. So, let me just show you an example of what dereferencing means, although I've discussed it in our previous tutorials. So I have a pointer right here, and I can dereference it using the asterisk symbol. So when I dereference the pointer ptr, I will get the value at the address stored in the pointer ptr. And the address stored in the pointer ptr is the address of the variable num. So the value at that address will be 5. So let me just change the format specifier to %d because 5 is an integer value. So when I run the program, I'm going to get the value 5. So this is how you can dereference a pointer. But what happens if you dereference a pointer to a pointer variable? So a pointer to a pointer variable has an address stored in it, and that address is the address of another pointer. So the value at that address will actually be the address of my variable num. Because again, I'm going to repeat the definition of dereferencing a pointer. Dereferencing a pointer simply means accessing the value at the address stored in the pointer. So the address stored in the pointer is the address of pointer ptr, and the value at that address is the address of the variable num. So when I dereference my pointer to pointer variable ptrp, I will get the address of my variable num. And just to prove my point, I'm going to change the format specifier, and then I'm going to simply print the address of my variable num using the address operator. I'm going to remove it right here, and I'm going to add the address operator and the name of my integer variable. So when I run the program, both should have the same address. So both are the same address. So this is all it about pointer to pointer variables. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.